I've been a farmer all my life. This is my family farm. It provides food for us. The last few years, our farm has suffered. During high tide, the saltwater come inside and damage our crops. This farm not only provides for my family, it provides for my community.
This is the Rewa River. It's the widest river in Fiji and is affected by siltation. And during high tide, there is ocean backwash and the salt water floods into the farms. Here in this village, you can see the community has tried to build the erosion control structure with locally available materials. But sadly, it won't last long. So before that, it was getting eroded?
Before that, this mango tree was lying down. The sea come from here. So this mango tree, we pull it up again and put the soil there. The risk is the high tide, the salt water coming on top of the sand. So we are happy to make it properly so the whole village can plant crops, can survive.
Behind me is a floodgate structure which is meant to prevent flooding into the farmlands and the community nearby. However, it needs repair. It is one of the 17 floodgates that have been included in a project proposal that I worked on recently. In the project, we have also included riverbank stabilization and training of farmers in the traditional method called the tua-tua method of farming, which is a raised bed method of farming so that their crops are not affected by salt water.
In farming, we easily affected in extreme weather conditions. The floodgate and the raised bed protect our livelihood from the salt water coming into our farm.